Hello everyone, Zach with AI Automation Elite and CodeShock Software Development. Today we're going to look at the power of Llama 3.1, 405 billion parameters, and Together AI in this new app called LlamaCoder. Clearly it's for building apps in code, right? So we're going to go ahead and check that out. If you're interested in this type of material, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And if you would like to learn AI and business automation or improve your understanding of those, we have a free school right now that just opened called AI Automation Elite, and we would love to have you really diving into these technologies from a software developer perspective. So let's go ahead and get started. We look at our page here. It's pretty simple. That's all there is to it. Let's start with the GitHub repo. All right, so LlamaCoder here. Last commit 10 hours ago. 3 days, 2 weeks, 5 days. So quite active. Let's see here. Looking here. Not a fan of this work in progress, but that's just a personal issue. All right, transform your ideas into functional apps. That's a big statement. Looking at this calculator app. So it looks like it uses React. Interesting. All right, an open source Claude artifacts generate small apps with a prompt powered by Llama 3, 405, and Together AI. All right, so let's look here. Looks like an easy setup. Clone it. Create a .env, add your API key. I assume that is so that you can access the 405 billion parameter. Most people do not have computers that would handle that, at least not successfully. Future task, all right, looks interesting. Let's test. All right, build me a calculator app. We don't want to build a calculator app. If you've watched my other videos, there's a lot of good logic that allows us to kind of see what the LLM is able to produce. All right, so let's create a Tic-Tac-Toe game for 2 players. There. Let's see what we get. All right, this is nice. So it is a React app. Using EU state. All right, calculate winner. So there's our all right, looks decent enough. Let's try it. X. Oh, already we got a crash. Okay, so let's see how well it fixes itself. All right, I am getting this error. Right, updating the app. Notice we did not really see a change. We know that it changed something. If you remember on the video from the other day, well, this is interesting. Okay, let's see what happens. So let's see. 1, 2, nope. All right. Let's see. I am still getting this error, and the boxes are in a row instead of the normal, let's say 3x3 grid. All right. I'm trying to remember what the name was. Code. Oh, it's Claude Dev, where it allowed us to see the difference each time, and gave us that diff engine, that get diff engine, which was really nice. Okay, so, and we're still getting a crash here. All right. Let's see what happens if is it just the placement? Nope. All right, let's try this one more time. I think this is kind of problematic that it does not reset the input, so we have to remove it. Okay, so let's say I am still getting error, and maybe we need to try a different way. Let's see if maybe that structure. Okay. So interface square props. Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's try So it doesn't seem to be able to get past this error. So clearly not production ready. We don't know issue with LlamaCoder itself, or that it's looks like it's only in React. But let's try this. Okay, can you make this a single index.html file with all the HTML, JS, and CSS for the Tic-Tac-Toe game? See what it does. Okay, so we got a doc type HTML. We're getting that. We have our styles. This looks a little more promising. We'll test it out, and right off the bat though, interestingly enough, app.tsx, right? So it looks like the TSX, which is the TypeScript for React. Let's try one more. Let's see. Can you create a simple guessing game in Python terminal? And once again, cannot assign read-only property to message app TSX. So it looks like it can only do React, which I definitely don't find to be that exciting. Although we are a JavaScript company and we do React quite a bit, does not seem to have any flexibility, and I find that to be problematic. Again, it could be the prompting outside of here, which would be the system prompt. Don't really know, but currently I do not give this a very high score, although this might work if we were to put it into a regular terminal and make a a Python file. So I appreciate your time. I hope you found this interesting. I give this a D-. Currently, we'll test it some more. If someone has better luck, please post that in the comments. Once again, thank you. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.